Just back at WITHEREN HEIGHTS in Canungra, at the back of the Gold Coast. It's all but finished. There's the main bathroom in here. Got a sandstone tile. This is the laundry. And this is the main living area with the raked ceilings, kitchen. And this is the one that's got the two identical wings, so you've got a little butler's pantry at the back here. There's a little study area, TV room, bedroom, ensuite, walk-in robe, and that's got its own little balcony out here. Use the Colorbond cladding, which is great in the fire zones, so anything with a bushfire attack level. This means no maintenance, it's quick and easy to put on, and obviously doesn't burn.